What's up, friends? This is a very interesting and funny legal story. You gotta hear this. Okay, it starts with Mr. and Mrs. Baker, an elderly couple of all things, own a nice home in Los Angeles, near Hollywood. Beautiful home, built about 100 years ago. These poor folks, ultimately, there was a lot of water damage that occurred at their house. LA, even LA has water once in a while. And so anyway, good thing they thought that they have Allstate insurance and that they've been paying their insurance bill for the last 20 years with Allstate. So they make a claim to fix the water damage, and they weren't happy with Allstate. From their point of view, Allstate just put a Band-Aid over it, and that's about it. They were not happy with how Allstate wanted to fix the damages. So our friends, the Baker family, hired the esteemed attorney, Christopher Hook. And this guy goes up and files a lawsuit against Allstate for bad faith, punitive damages for them not fixing these damages as they should have done. Allstate goes out and hires a very big law firm, as they always do. In this particular matter, Shepard Mullen. It's pretty daunting for one lawyer like Christopher Hook, as Shepard Mullen has about 1,000 attorneys. So he files, as this lawsuit is going on, our friend Christopher Hook is unhappy because Allstate does a few tactical things that delay the case and help Allstate. They remove the case from the state court to the federal court because the federal court is more lenient to these big defendants, and they have procedural rules that help the defendants out. This pissed off the plaintiff's attorney, Chris Hook. He went nuts, and he wrote things in emails that I've never seen a lawyer write. Let's take a look at some of these emails that our friend writes. Hey, shit for brains, Allstate owes my clients a lot of money. It's due yesterday. Pay up, fucktard, or you'll be lucky to work as a notary public in El Cajon. By the way, just for the record, I grew up in El Cajon, okay? I wish I would have became a notary public in El Cajon, all right? It's not that bad of a city, dude. Okay, it is. Anyway, then our friend Christopher Hook says, I understand the position you are in. I'm going to let the long dick of the law fuck Allstate for all of us. Oh my God, a true American hero. And when Allstate's lawyers did not respond in what Christopher thought was a timely fashion, well, I'll just let you read this email yourself. One of the lawyers who took the brunt of Christopher's anger was this guy, Peter Klee. I can't be too upset at Mr. Klee, as he is a fellow UC Berkeley Law School graduate. So, all right, we'll give him the benefit of the doubt. Tell Allstate I'm going to waterboard each one of their trolls that show up for the deposition without any mercy. Hey, Klee, you cum stain. The demand is now $302 million. Pay up, fuckface. You are going to get fucking tattooed across the face, Klee. I'm going batshit crazy on you motherfucking cocksuckers. To his credit, our friend Christopher Hook, after Allstate's lawyer went and told on him and ran to the federal judge, we're scared. We're scared. Come on. You know this guy just, freaking can't hold his anger like most of us. Anyway, so they go to the judge. Christopher Hook defends himself a little bit, says, oh, this is free speech, and I was just trying to negotiate. Okay, maybe a little too aggressively, but it's free speech. And the poor Baker family, the elderly couple, they're at their wits' end because of Allstate's tactics and delays. And the federal judge said, maybe you should just resign as a lawyer completely and become a notary public in El Cajon. No, the judge didn't say that last part. As for the actual case against Allstate, we'll see. Check with me in 5 years, and I'll let you know how it goes out at the rate Allstate is carrying this out. I talked to a lot of other lawyers. They all said, Christopher Hook, he's a freaking hero. He said what all of us are thinking, except that he actually said it. Hey, let me know if there's any other funny legal stories. I'll explain it in more detail for you.